Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video. So today I'll be sharing with you something you guys really need. So for the sake of those that have been asking me how I flip accounts, as you can see, this is $20 to $400. Another one, this is $15 to $150. A lot of it, this is $59 to see the entry exactly. You can see it is sniper entry, see the entry. $59 to about $400 and more. Also I take losses too, but see, this is $59 to $1,000 and more and more and more. So I take losses too, so losses are part of the game. So this is not me trying to cap for you guys saying okay I'm the best. No, I take a lot of losses too. So this is another one, you understand? So this is something very crazy I did recently. Then this is the results, as you can see. So this is all live accounts, not all this demo blah blah blah. And also this signal, I sent it to the group and we did something crazy with it. This is a small account and this is a big account. As you can see, I sent the signal to the group right here. So today basically I'll be sharing with you how I trade, like the entry strategy, the flipping strategy, the stacking strategy and stuff. So if that is what you're interested in, do watch the video to the end. So don't forget to like the video and I'll give you guys all you need. So if you have any question at all, drop it in the comment section and you guys will be good to go. So basically you will learn a lot in this video, so just take your time to watch the video. This is my Telegram channel, the link is in the description box. Join and you will enjoy a lot of things. So without further ado, let's get straight to business. Okay guys, so before I get started, I would want to correct a notion. The thing is, this setup I want to show you, it is not something new at all. In fact, all over YouTube, if you just search about liquidity setup, you see it. You can see 1,000 videos about it, but that is not the point. I'm very sure you've seen a lot of those kind of video, but why are you still not profitable? That is the question. So it is probably because when you watch a video, you'll be like, oh, I already know it, let me just keep it, let me check another strategy. That is not how trading works. I would advise you calm down, watch this video, get something new out of it, then add it to what you've already known. And if you do not know anything about it at all, just watch it, you understand, and you get something new. Get it, backtest it, you understand. So do not assume you know it all. Just calm down and watch, then learn. That is how we grow. I also go on to someone else's channel to learn something new. Even though I know the strategy, I still calm down to watch and learn. You understand? We learn every day. It is a must. So let's not waste time on that. I just want to correct that notion. So basically, the strategy I use to trade synthetic is liquidity strategy, and this is the structure right here. Don't worry, I will still take you guys to the real chart to backtest and show you, and I'll make this video as quick as possible. If you have any question at all, you can message me on Telegram or on WhatsApp. My details are in the description box. So basically this is for the buy setup. Please just follow the cursor. So this is for the buy setup. So now for the buy setup, you are looking for 3 valid things to make you see that this trade is valid. First off, this point right here, you are looking for price to come all the way down, then go up, forming a kind of A. You understand? Then when it forms A, you expect price to come all the way down, break it, like it should break it all the way down and sweep it to the low. You understand? Then price should go up again, breaking this recent high. So now basically you've seen the first break to the downside, that is 1. You've seen the second break to the upside, that is 2. You understand? It broke. If I pull something right here, it means I'm looking for a break here, I'm looking for another break here, You understand? So this is 1, this is 2. Then I expect price to come all the way down here, but not to this point. In my other channel, I already talked about QM setup. If it's come all the way, if it breaks it right here and come all the way down here to pick order and buy straight, that is a QM setup. That's Quasimodo setup. So there are different kind of Quasimodo. If you need the link to that, you can comment in the comment section. I will drop the link in the pinned comment section if you ask. If not, let's just continue what we are doing here. So now for this liquidity setup, I need it to come all the way down, but not to this entry point. This rectangle point right here is the entry point. So once it comes here, I now expect price to go all the way up again, breaking it the 3rd time. So basically what you need is price to break levels 3 times to make it valid. So first off, once it forms, first thing you need is an A kind of shape. This A kind of shape here, you understand? It should make an A, then it should come all the way down, breaking it, then it should go all the way up, breaking it again. That is 2 breaks of structures, you understand? Then it should reverse. Now I will show you something about this reversal, because even if it reverses up onto this point right here and it goes up, it might still be valid. So I'll give you the conditions when we enter the real chart, but I just want to show you the structure first. So if it retraces all the way down but not entering into the zone, then it buys all the way up, you understand? So if it buys all the way up, then it breaks this structure. That means we have a valid setup, you understand? We have a valid structure already. So basically what we'll be expecting is price to now reverse all the way to this box right here. Then once it enters into this box, then we can take our orders, we can put in our positions for buys and long all the way at least to the recent high, or up onto the point where we feel a reversal might set in, you understand? So that is for the buy setup. Now for the sell setup, it is also the same thing, exactly the same, but it's just when you flip it, you understand? So I'll explain it again, do not worry. So basically all I'm looking for is an A. So for the buy setup is an inverted A, understand? But for this is a straight normal A, we all know. So this is an A. Then first thing we need is a break of structure to the upside, understand? Which is the first break right here. That's broken it. Then we need a break of structure to the downside. Obvious breaks, don't look for minor breaks by week. It should break it by candlestick, not by week. I'm giving you the conditions for a valid setup already, you understand? Then it breaks it, then it reverses into this point but not entering into the box, you understand? Then it comes all the way down, breaking this as the 3rd break of structure, you understand? Then it breaks it all the way down, you understand? Then once it breaks it all the way down, breaking it as the 3rd one, then if price decides to be dancing around blah 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 blah, that is none of our business. We already know our point of interest, which is this box right here. So we expect price to go all the way up in here and sell off. So we can take our sales from this point up onto this point, then set our stop loss. So we expect price not to reach all the way up here. So this high shouldn't be taken out, you understand? So basically for those that might be interested, this reversal that we are looking at right here is what we call the structural liquidity, you understand? And also for this is the structural liquidity. So for a liquidity setup to be valid, it has to have structural liquidity, you understand? And 3 valid breaks of structures. So and it reverses, then we take our sell off, you understand? So I will quickly do a recap of what I've said earlier. So basically all I said was, for a liquidity setup to be valid, we need 3 basic breaks. The first breaking is the break of the recent low or recent high, as the case may be, either for buy or sell setup. Then the second one is the break of the recent high or recent low, which has been created earlier. So basically, if we are given a low, it should break the low of the low, and it should break the high of the same high we are seeing. You understand? Then once we've seen that, breaking both, like breaking it downwards and breaking it upwards, then we expect a retracement, but not up onto the point of interest where we are going to take our buys. Then once it reverses, then we expect a break of structure again of the recent high if it is a buy setup, and also of the recent low if it is a sell setup. And we expect price to come all the way down. Then we take our positions, set our stop loss below it, then follow the market all the way to our TP, or where we see that there is a possibility for a reversal. You understand? So it is that simple. I will show you one or two examples. This is just a crash course on my strategy based on request. You understand? If you want the full details, you can join my Telegram and see about the mentorship. So I just want to show you basically how it works, because there are a lot of things to it, but this is just the structure of which I'm very sure if you backtest it with more inputs from your own side, which I mean by backtesting continually, then you get it eventually. But if you want to get just the key point already, then you can join my Telegram channel. Of course, my Telegram channel is free for everybody, you understand? But for those that want to join the mentorship, then you can see it there. So let's just continue. Then this is the break of structure, then reversal. Take your positions and follow all the way. So now I will show you some examples on the real charts, because basically things work differently in the synthetic markets other than the financial markets. You understand? They work a bit differently. The synthetic market is basically controlled by the broker, so you expect much more of manipulations and stuff, but I'll give you some key points you guys need. So let's jump into the chart. Okay guys, so this is the real chart, and what I'll be using as example is actually the trade I took, as you can see displayed on the screen right now, which I used to flip 200 to about $2,000. So this is 10s, and I already showed you at the beginning of the video. This is 10s in the 5 minutes time frame. Understand? So I'm not trying to hide anything from you guys. So it's just something that works. Once it works. There's no capping about it. So I showed you the time I sent the signal and how we took it. So I will show you what I saw, exactly what I just explained to you guys. So first of all, if you look at this point right here, so basically all I'll be doing will be let me just highlight it. So basically what I'll be doing will be in this point. You understand? All I saw was in this point, basically. So now, okay, sorry. So now I said, first of all, for a buy setup, all we need is an A. So this right here, I don't know if I can get, okay, let me just use my cursor. So this right here is forming an A already for us. So this is an A. Now after an A, we said we need a break of this low right here. Let me zoom it in. This low and also this high. We need the market to break it. So once it's formed an A, it came all the way down, breaking this low right here. Then it's consolidated for a while. Don't forget this is a 5 minutes time frame. Then it came all the way up, breaking this high right here, and it came all the way down again. Don't forget, this is the date is 2000. Sorry, this is 8th November. It formed it around 8th November. We took the trade 11th November, and it came all the way down, but not to this POI. So if I draw, this is our POI right here. According to the structure, if you've forgotten, just move the video backwards to get it. Understand? Oh, my bad. So now, and it came all the way down right here. You understand? After giving us the valid breaks. So this is the first break, this is the second break, breaking it upwards, and it's reversed downwards. Now I told you I'll be sharing with you the conditions needed for a valid structure. Now if I pull my Fibonacci retracement from this top where it's reversed after the two valid breaks, you understand? So basically we are pulling our Fibonacci for the structural liquidity. So if I pull it from here to the recent low right here, so let me just extend it. Oh my jeez, sorry about that. So basically if I pull my Fibonacci, if I extend it, now what I'm trying to say is, if where is the 50%, this is the 50%, basically this reversal must hit this 50% or must come below it, you understand? If it was above this 50% right here, if it was even here, I won't take the trade. But because it came all the way hitting the 50% and even came all the way down to what level right here, to about this 3 something blah blah blah, then it gave a valid structure, you understand? So this right here is a valid structure. As you can see, just this part here is a valid structure. Now I will show you some. Okay, this will only be the example I'll be giving. So you guys, I will be giving you as an assignment personally to work on yourself to find a cell structure, a cell structure like this, you understand? So now it has given me the confirmation. If I now let me now shrink the charts, it has given me everything I need. Don't forget I marked it. Now every other thing the market is doing is none of my business. You see all of this, they are none of my business. Basically all I need the market to do is come back to this point. So I'll just mark out my point. Of course, it was where we took the trade, where I sent the signal. As you can see, very good right here. And don't forget, I've explained where the stop loss will be below the low. Understand? So now, for this kind of trade, your take profit should be at least this point or this point right here. Understand? So now, price came back after I think about 2 days. So let's see what price did when price entered. Don't forget, this is the 5 minutes time frame. Now price entered into the zone as first, rejected upwards, came down, blah blah blah, just playing around. Then I sent the signal around this point right here for them to take a buy, and blam 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 blam. Obviously the rest now story. You already know it's our TP up onto the recent high. So once it reaches here, you have no business with the trade again, understand, except you just want to take partials and break even the rest. But as a matter of fact, I would advise you take all your profit and wait for another setup. So it is as simple as that. I gave you a structure, I gave you an analysis of the trade I sent, and the strategy itself. So this is very simple as it looks. You don't need to make everything as hectic as anything just to take a trade, you understand? So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video. This is just a crash course and a crash explanation of my strategy. If you want the details, because this is just the tip of it, you can send me a DM or join my Telegram channel. You see my details in my Telegram channel, you understand? So do all to drop comments. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget the assignment. Go on to your chart. This is 5 minutes time frame, so you can go to your chart, to any synthetic chart you can see, find this kind of structure for sale and back test it. Then that is the way you improve. Understand? I entertain observations or whatever you think I haven't added, whatever. Understand? So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.